Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a project I want to show you how to do. Is how to change the shower head in your shower if you want to upgrade your shower head, and also the control valve itself. Now these are super easy to do. The shower head's really simple. You just need a screwdriver basically and a pair of pliers, and you don't have to kill yourself. You don't need to hire a plumber. You don't need to do anything. You can do it all yourself 100%. So this is a nice, I like Symmons, but I'll leave some links down below in the description for these kind of products, but you can use anything you want. Doesn't really matter. The idea is if you want to change the look of it, I'm going to show you how to do it. I like Symmons, they're nice quality products. This is a nice big shower head. This is a 6-inch shower head. And the controller, we just want to go with the brushed nickel, and that's what we want to change the look to. So this is what it looks like here. Really easy. It looks intimidating, but honestly, you don't have to hire a plumber and spend $400 or $500. You can do it yourself. Really easy. All right, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so we're in the shower and we're going to actually replace the shower head. So here's the shower head out of the package, and here is the Teflon tape I was telling you about. So what you want to do is take this Teflon tape, you want to wrap it around these threads. Okay, so you should have a spigot or a spout sticking out of your shower right here, and you want to just wrap the tape around it 4 or 5 times, and then basically you just want to place this on top of the threads and just hand tighten it as tight as you can. You don't really need a tool. I wouldn't suggest that. This is made out of plastic, so you just have to be careful. You don't want to break that. If it needs to be tightened up, if it's leaking, just lightly with a little wrench, very, very lightly. So let's just add the Teflon tape around this first, and we'll just get that ready. So you can see I'm just wrapping it around the threads. Think of it like a big Band-Aid. That's what this is. You can see how I'm just wrapping it around like this. Just keep wrapping it all the way through like this. And nice and tight. Make sure you can see the threads going through it. Like that, and this will stop any leakage. And that's it. Just break it right off. And that's all you have to do. That's all set to go. That's all primed and ready to screw on the shower head. Just get your shower head and you line it up. You can see here. Get the threads. And just twist it on slowly. You don't want to strip it. You want to make sure it's on. Make sure it's square. There we go. And she just slide right on, just like that. See that? And then you just tighten up with the hands. And I'm going to snug it down with a pair of water pump pliers, just a little bit, just to get a little snug on it. Not too much. Just a little bit. Okay. Just enough to get nice and tight. And then this should move around nice and loose, just like that. And that is all set to go. We'll test that in a minute. Now we're going to change the valve itself. Okay, which is just basically a Phillips screwdriver, a Phillips screw right here. This is on top of this. Take it all apart. This is all sitting here. This all comes apart. Very simple. What you want to do is basically take out these 2 screws. This whole assembly will come out. This is like a key, and this will sit inside the notch, and this is just a diverter valve to shut the water off and on for the flow. That's what this is for, right here. And then you pop the new plate on, and just all you have to do, put the screws in just like I did here, and just make sure they're tight, and you're good to go. Yeah. Just like that. Tighten it down. Super easy. And we're going to put the rest of it together, and we're going to snap on the ring, and that'll be done. Just like that. It's super easy. This comes off, comes on, just like I said, just these 2 screws right here. This key just sits into the notch. This whole plate sits on flush. Very easy to replace this. Super easy. Definitely you can do it yourself. So once you get those screws in, just pop on. This is all like covering plate to cover everything. That goes on like that, like you can see there, like that. You just want to attach your, this just snaps right in. Just a snap clip. It just snaps right in. Let's get that. Yep. Snaps right into the grooves here. One. Just like that. That sits on top of that. Like that. This sits on top of this. Like this. And this just screws right back in. And that's all you gotta do. Super easy, super simple. Definitely anybody can do this. It's definitely 1 to 10. This is probably like a level 3. That's it. You're good to go. And that is all installed. Very easy to do. 2 screws, like I said. So 3 screws totally. 2 to hold on this whole assembly, and then the 1 screw for the valve. And then that's it. That's all you got to do. Super easy to install. So we're just going to test it, make sure there's no leaks in the shower head. So we're just going to turn the water on. You can see the shower water coming out. No leaks here whatsoever. Very easy to install. Very easy to do. All right, guys, I'll leave some links down below for this product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Very easy to do. Like I said, you can do it yourself. Very, very easy. When that's done, you can just push all that tape back, get that all out of the way. You can clean this all up. That way you don't have all that tape there. And that's it. Super easy to do. Hope you learned how to change your shower head and change your valve place. Very, very simple to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll leave links down below in the description for these 2 items. And definitely you can do it yourself. If you enjoyed the video, if I helped you out, please consider that super thanks. It helps support my channel. Everything I raise within my channel goes right back into purchasing new items to show you how to do things. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.